Do you want to make mucho moolah? Lots of loot? A cornucopia of cash? Well, look at me! I'm a millionaire! What can I say? I'm a baller! It's true. This is a Maltese Falcon. I got him in Peru for 3.4. Say hello, Skippy. Hey there. Oh, what? This old thing? Chump change! Woohoo! This is my guest house. It's only 42 million, and this is my main house. This is my first boat, and this is my second. Get this, I don't even know how to swim. You want to be able to live in a place like this? It's easy. Just invest in investing. Get your finances in order. Stocks, spreadsheets, Dow Jones, penny stocks, 401k. I don't know what I'm talking about. I promised myself that I wouldn't do this. I'm a trust fund baby, okay? I invested in Blockbuster. Shit. It was a mistake. It costs $200 a week to clean this wool, John. I'm a failure.